So today I'm sowing chilies and aubergines. So I've got my mix ready. This is a mixture of perlite, bit of vermiculite, and my homemade compost that's been well sieved twice actually. So I'm going to use these quarter trays and I'll put two different types in each one. This is the aubergine long purple, so we will I've made some separators just out of some cut down. That needs cutting again. Old labels, just to separate the two lots and make sure that I've got that one right. Okay, let's see if I can catch them. As long as they end up on the correct side. I only actually need a couple of each, and probably just one of each, to be honest with you. Aubergine Black Beauty. The compost has been indoors, so its temperature is the same as my house temperature, which is normally always above 15 degrees. So there's no problem with it being too chilled. Put a layer of vermiculite over it. And that'll go on my heated Super 7. And we've got three more to do. Next one is chili Palivec. Now this is just going to go into one, because this is a nice, really nice one that has got quite a good heat, grows well, and has some big chilies. So basically, take the any that's still left in and go hope these Palivecs grow, because they're probably my favourite chili. That's much make sure some of those get water. I am going to just make sure the surfaces are kept damp until I see some shoots coming. I'll be doing this daily until that happens. Shouldn't take too long on this Super 7. Hoping they'll be up within the week.